In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a sheet in Smartsheet. Duplicating a sheet is really useful when you already have a layout, structure, or workflow that works well, and you want to reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch. Instead of manually recreating columns, formulas, and formatting, you can simply make a copy and then customize it for your new project or team. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Once you're in, start by opening the sheet you want to duplicate. You can do this from your home screen, your recents, or from a workspace where the sheet is stored. Just click on the sheet name to open it in the standard grid view. With the sheet open, look toward the top left area of the Smartsheet interface for the main file menu. Click on File to open the drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options for working with your sheet. What you're looking for is the option labeled Save as New. Go ahead and click Save as New. This is the command that tells Smartsheet you want to create a new sheet based on the one you currently have open, while leaving the original sheet untouched. As soon as you select Save as New, Smartsheet will show you a set of on-screen prompts. These prompts guide you through how your new sheet will be created. Typically, you will be asked to give your new sheet a name. Choose something that clearly distinguishes it from the original, so you don't accidentally edit the wrong one later. You may also be asked where to save it, such as in a particular workspace or folder. Pick the location that makes the most sense for your team or project. Depending on your account and settings, you may see additional options such as whether to include data, attachments, discussions, or other content from the original sheet. Read each prompt carefully and select the options that match how you plan to use the duplicate. For instance, if you only want the structure and formulas, you might choose not to carry over existing row data. Once you've followed the prompts and confirmed your choices, Smartsheet will create the new sheet. You'll now have a fully duplicated version that you can modify freely, without affecting the original.